Welcome to Methamphetamine. Today we are going to do this integral question. Integral from 0 to infinity of ln x divided by 1 plus x power of 4 dx. And first, we are going to let our I of a is equal to the integral from 0 to infinity of a to the power of a divided by 1 plus x power of 4. When we differentiate both sides, yes, you get I prime a here, and then the derivative of x power of a, yeah, you get x power of a times ln x, which is the constant. Itself times constant, ln the constant x. X is a constant in the a world. So here, you get x power of a ln x divided by this, and then we plot a is equal to 0, which is the result of this integral. But we are going to find the formula of this here. How can we do this? First, we are going to use substitution. Let u is equal to x power of 4. Du is equal to 4 power of x, 4 times x power of 3 dx. And now dx is going to be 1 power of 4. What is x power of 3 in our u world? You can get, take out 1/4 on one side, you can get u power of 1/4 is equal to x. And then x power of 3, which is u power of 1/4 power of 3, which is, according to our power rule, you can get u power 3/4 times our du. Here, dx is equal to this. We can put the 1/4, the constant, which is the constant outside the integral, and then we plus 0 and infinity into our lower limit and upper limit still the same. And now x, you know this is u power of 1/4. U power of 1/4 times a, which is u power of a/4, and then divided by u power of 3/4, and then 1 plus times 1 plus, and now x power 4, which is our u. Here, we are going to get u power of a minus 3/4 here, according to our power subtraction rule. A minus 3 divided by 4. But we can split it here, split it to two different. Let me write it clearly. 1/4 times the integral from 0 to infinity of u power of a/4 minus 3/4. Let me split it to two different fractions. And then we are going to use our beta function here, which is the definition of beta function, which is from integral from 0 to infinity and the x power of m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x power of m plus n dx, which is due to our beta function, beta m comma n. By its definition is gamma function, gamma m times gamma n divided by gamma m plus n here. So we are going to use this formula. So how can we find the value of m here? We are going to add 1 and then minus 1 here. Negative 3/4 plus 1, which is positive 1/4. So we can write this as u power of a/4 plus 1/4 minus 1. And then here, which is the m, we're going to follow here. Follow this m here, 1/4. The m is here, a plus a/4, and then plus 1/4. And then this is the original power to this 1 power of u is 1. So we are going to find what is it. Let me what the n. We are going to find the value of n is equal to 1. We are going to find it. Divided by minus 1/4 from both sides, you can get our a/4 plus n is equal to 3/4. And then multiply by 4 on both hand side, you can get a plus 4n is equal to 3. And then you can get n is equal to 4n is equal to 3 minus a. Divided by 4 on both sides, you can get n is equal to 3/4 minus a/4. Like that. So we can get our power n is just this. plus 3/4 minus a/4. Check the result, you can get this original power 1. Yes, here we can just use our beta function here, which is 1/4 beta. We're going to follow the order here. 1/4 plus a/4, comma 3/4 minus a/4, like that. And then here we can get 1/4 times gamma, 1/4 plus a/4, gamma 3/4 minus a/4, like that. And then divided by gamma. The addition to this, you can get 1. These two things, you can get gamma 1, which is just 1. You can follow. You can just ignore this. And here, what should we do next? Here, we can write this gamma 1/4 plus a/4 as our 1 minus our bracket 3/4 minus a/4. And then time our gamma 3/4 minus a/4 here. You can get 1 minus 3/4, which is 1/4. And then minus become positive. You can get this is positive a/4, which is just the original. It doesn't change. And here we're going to use the gamma reflection formula, which is our gamma 1 minus n times gamma n is equal to pi over sine pi n. This is the reflection to the gamma function. And here we can just plot the n here. This is just our n. Pi divided by sine pi times 3/4 minus our a/4, like that. And then you can just distribute the pi. I'm going to put the pi over 4 outside, and then 1 over times 1 over sine 3 pi/4 minus pi a/4, like that. What is 3 pi/4 minus pi a/4? Nah, I might do something wrong here. I shouldn't remove the 3 pi/4 because this 3 pi/4, not 3 pi/2. Be careful. I just do something wrong here. So let me just distribute to this. What this as cosecant 3 pi/4 minus pi a/4. When you differentiate both sides, you pretty much just get also negative pi squared over 16, and then time out. We should time the extra negative side because due to the chain rule, Due to the chain rule, time negative pi/4, and it should be positive here. Pi squared over 16, and then time cosecant 3 pi/4 minus pi a/4 time cotangent 3 pi/4 minus pi a/4. Yes. So this integral is here, and finally we can just say that the original integral, which is this, when you put x in a is equal to 0, which is just here, so we can call this is equal to I prime 0, which is just put the 0 here. You can get pi squared over 16 times cosecant 3 pi/4 times cotangent 3 pi/4, like that. And here, just don't need to do something stupid here. Something that wastes your time. Just use your calculator. You can just change it to your radian mole, like that. What is 3 pi/4? Sine 3 pi/4. First, what is sine 3 pi/4? You can get this disgusting value. Don't worry, square this. You can get 1/2, which is sine 3 pi/4, which is equal to 1 over square root of 2. But this is cosecant, which is the reciprocal. So this is just multiplied by root 2. And then what is cotangent 3 pi/4? Use your calculator once again. First, we are going to find what is tangent 3 pi/4 first. Because this is equal to -1. 1 divided by -1 is still -1. So just multiply by -1 here. And you can get our result, which is just equal to -pi² times square root of 2 divided by 16. This is just our result. And thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more quality videos. Bye.